Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing free marketing courses that are offered by one of the most popular IT company in the world, Hewlett Packard, which is commonly referred as HP. So I hope you all know about this company. So now let us move on and see the free marketing related courses that are offered by them. First one is social media marketing, and all these courses which we'll be seeing in this video are self-paced online courses, which means there is no time limit or any restriction. You can just enroll in the course whenever you want and you can complete at your own speed. So now let's come back to this particular course. So social media marketing is important for every business in this world because everything is happening online. So in this course, you will learn how to market your business on social media platforms, and you will also learn how to run advertisements on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. And already more than 54,000 students have taken this particular course. And after completing these courses, you will also get a certificate of completion from HP. So this is the first one. The next one is marketing benefits versus features. So in this course, you will learn the differences between the marketing benefits and its features, and you will learn how to use them to promote your products and services. So more than 27,000 students have taken this particular course. Next one is effective business websites. So this is also a crucial part for any business these days, because every customer, every new customer or existing customer, they will be searching you online. So you need a website and you need to showcase what you are doing there so that people can know about your services and products. So in this program, you will learn about how to build a business website and how to use that to attract new customers and retain existing customers. Next one is setting prices. So have you ever wondered how the companies come up with a price for any particular product? So that's what you'll be learning in this particular course. You will learn how to price a product. Before coming up with a price for any product, a company does a lot of research with their data. So those things will be taught to you in this course, how to do that research and how to come up with the correct proper price for your product or service. Next one is selling online. So even if you have a website, you need to know how to sell online. Selling online is different from selling offline. So you learn how to create a listing for your products and services, and how to edit photos that are attractive, and how to write effective, catchy description title for your products and services. So those things will be taught to you in this particular course. Let's move on to the next one, which is your target audience. So finding the right customers is also a crucial part for any business, because even if you have a good product and if you are selling it to the wrong person, your business will not scale up. So that is why first of all you need to find out your target audience to whom you want to sell your products or services. So that is what you will be learning in this particular course. You will learn how to gather information about your customers, and not only that, you will also learn how to get more data from your existing customers so that you can give them better products and services. Next one is unique value proposition. So in this course, you will learn how to differentiate your business from your competitors. That is very important these days, because we have a lot of options for everything, right? For any product or any services, there are a lot of options. So how are you going to be different so that you can attract more customers and make your own legacy? So that's what you'll be learning in this particular course, unique value proposition. Next one is customer relationship management. More than 24,190 students have enrolled in this particular course. So in this program, you will learn how to use a CRM tool. There are a lot of CRM tools out there. You might know about Zoho CRM tool, Salesforce. So those are customer relationship management tools which will help companies to track their customers, to maintain their data and everything. So that's what you'll be learning about in this particular program. Next one is the art of sales, fundamentals of selling. So in this course, you will learn how to negotiate sales, handle customer objections, and use sales tools and techniques to become a better salesperson. And more than 6,000 students have taken this particular course. So now we have seen 9 free courses related to marketing that are offered by HP. So you can use these courses and become a better marketer. So now if you want to enroll in these courses, you can simply click on join for free here and fill in your details here and create your account in this platform. And once it is done, once you are logged into your account, simply click on this enroll now button, this enroll button, and then you'll see a start lesson button. Just click on it and go to the program page and just for watch the videos or articles, whatever is given there, just complete it. And after that, you will be able to get your certificate from HP for the courses which you have completed. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.